Most dropshippers fail because they chase the wrong products. But what if I told you you could spot hidden winners before they even hit the US market? In this video, I'll show you step by step how I use Shopify sales data, not guesswork, to find rare, high margin products, validate them, source them, and even market them with viral style TikTok content. By the end, you'll know exactly how to identify the traits of a winning product. Use Zeek's Product Explorer to uncover blue ocean opportunities. Validate demand so you're not competing head to head. Source the right margins. And model marketing strategies to increase your chance of going viral. So let's dive in and start with the core terms that make a product successful on Shopify. Okay, so before we start the video, it's important to understand the main factors that turn a product into a winning Shopify product. Are you passionate about the product? Does the product simplify or enhance anyone's life? Does the product have a wow factor? Is the sourcing price not easily known? Does the product have a good profit margin? Note, we want to sell the product for at least 3 times the supplier price, mainly to cover ad costs and other marketing expenses. Is the product hard to find in retail stores? Does the product comply with Facebook ad policies? Is the product safe to sell and ship? If you can say yes to all of these questions, well, congratulations, you found a winning product to sell in your dropshipping store. Most dropshippers fail because they guess products. The only way to win? Use data-driven product selection. That's why I'll show you exactly how I research products with Zeek's Product Explorer. This tool is a game changer because it pulls sales data from other Shopify stores to validate success. Now, let me reveal my secret to spotting rising products that perform well outside the US market. You can be among the first to sell them in the US, dominate early, and enjoy what we call a blue ocean. Less competition and better conversion rates. Step 1, leave the keyword field blank. Step 2, set revenue to at least $5,000. Step 3, set minimum price to $20 for higher margins. Now, here is the most important step. Choose store types. Dropshipping stores and one-product stores. Lastly, I'm going to add a filter that changes the whole picture, the language filter. I'll select all languages except for English. This helps me spot successful products that have been sold in Shopify stores and have not yet been added to the USA as its main target. And that means that these products haven't reached the US market yet. After that, I'll click search. Once I get the results, my job is simple. Find products with a high wow factor, strong perceived value, and ideally ones where the sourcing price is hard to guess. After a few minutes of scanning, I spot a product I've never seen before, an automatic pet feeder shaped like a cute robot, almost like a Tesla bot, and it was sold 57 times in the past 30 days. Now let's analyze the stores selling it by clicking on the spy icon. Okay, so it's a Denmark-based general dropshipping store, mainly targeting buyers in Denmark. Based on its monthly revenue of over $140K, this store clearly has a strong product selection. For me, this is a gold mine. Why? Because I can not only test this pet finder in the US market, but also add multiple products from this store that already proved demand. My rule is simple. If a product has sold at least 40 times in the past 30 days, I can confidently add it to my dropshipping store for US clients. And from a brief review, I do see some products that sold over 40 times in the past 30 days. Okay, so now that we've found a good product with a low chance of being targeted to a US audience, there's one more verification step before sourcing. We need to confirm that this product is not already sold in Shopify stores targeting US buyers. Remember, our goal is to bring new product ideas that are already working in other countries into the US market and be among the pioneers to sell them. That's how we can enjoy high sales and strong profit margins thanks to low competition. For this verification, I'll go back to the product research tool. This time, I'll reverse the filter I used earlier. The language, I'll check only English stores, mainly to see if this specific automatic feeder, the one shaped like a cute robot, is already being sold to US audience. Next, I'll type in the keyword that best describes this product. Pet feeder. Leave the rest of the filters as they are and click search. First, I can see that the pet feeder niche is already working well in Shopify stores. The main competitors are selling around 40 to 100 units per month over the last 30 days. But here's the exciting part. I don't see this robot-shaped pet feeder anywhere. That's huge. It means this model isn't known yet in Shopify stores targeting the US market. For us, that's a green light to move forward. It's like finding a rare pearl in the niche. I also noticed that automatic pet feeders typically sell in the USA for about $100. That matches perfectly with the price range we want to use for this product. If you're finding this video helpful so far, I'd love it if you could do me a quick favor at the end of the video. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any more tutorials like this. And if you want to use the exact same tools I'm using to find these rare product gems, you can try Zeek for only $1 for the first week. Okay, so now let's talk about sourcing the product in a way that keeps a high profit margin, even after Shopify fees, and ideally, even after paid ads if we decide to use them now or in the future to drive targeted traffic. My goal here is simple. Source the product in a way that leaves me a strong profit margin. I'm aiming for around 70% profit margin, but since this is a semi-high ticket item, even if we can't hit 70%, as long as the margin is high, it's still a good deal. For this, I'll click on the item finder. Now I'm going to get multiple sourcing options from AliExpress where sellers can ship to the US and worldwide at low rates, sometimes even free. Okay, so let's go with this one. Wow, this is the same exact pet feeder, which is perfect. And the sourcing price is only $68.82 without any discounts or promotions, and that even includes free shipping. Now let's run a quick product calculation. The store is selling this exact pet feeder for 775 Danish krone, which is $121.21, while the sourcing price is $68.82 with free shipping in AliExpress. That means the store is making about $48.50 profit per sale. In percentage terms, that's roughly 45% profit margin. It's not the 70% we aimed for, but because this is a semi-high ticket product, the dollar profit amount is still strong enough even when factor in paid ads. With that in mind, this product is worth adding to your store. In fact, we could even build an entire one-product dropshipping store around it because of the high perceived value of the product. Okay, so now we have a strong product with proven success outside the US and a high chance of becoming a booming product inside the US. The next step is driving targeted traffic to our store. For this, I'll use TikTok to find videos with high engagement so I can learn what type of content performs best with this product. Let's open TikTok and search for pet feeder. Right away, I see several videos with solid engagement, but one stands out with over 2 million likes. Let's check it out. It's surprisingly simple, just a video showing the product in action with 2 cute dogs eating from it. No complex production, just highly relatable and wow factor. That's a powerful sign. I can now take the best practices from this viral video and create a similar style video for our product. Okay, so that's the end of this video. As you can see, product research in 2025 and 2026 needs to be smart, focused on different products and spotting trends early before the competition. If you found this video valuable, a quick like and subscribe really helps me keep creating tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.